Hi, I'm Patricia Presto of On the Surface. As you get your home ready for holiday entertaining, consider wowing your guests with a beautiful dining room ceiling medallion. All it takes is a simple stencil around your chandelier. I use Bloc painter's tape by IPG to ensure that paint doesn't seep under the stencil. Here are the supplies you'll need. A medallion stencil, you can find these online, some low-tack, high-quality painter's tape, stencil paints and brushes, stencil pots or craft paint, a paper plate and paper towels, and a ladder. First, use your tape to tape down the sides of the stencil tightly on one side of the chandelier. The stencil will be 1/2 of the finished design, so you will need to repeat it on the other side. Next, dip the stencil brush into the stencil pot or craft paint you've placed on the paper plate. Remove any excess paint onto the paper towels. Your brush should be lightly coated with paint. This is the key to clean, crisp stencil lines. Now, with a pouncing motion, apply the paint onto the stencil openings. Don't swirl or move the brush back and forth. You don't want to push the paint under the stencil. If you need another layer or want to add another color, repeat the process. Lift the stencil carefully from the ceiling after you have completely covered the stencil area and it is dry. Once you have completed one side of the medallion and it is dry, remove the Bloc painter's tape, move to the other side, and repeat the process. And there you have it, a beautiful ceiling medallion that will give your guests something to talk about long after the holidays are over. This is Patricia Presto of On the Surface.